Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Parade in downtown Kingston, and we are going to talk about the expansion of the JUTC service. Now, Parade is a major hub for the JUTC company. South Parade and North Parade, they have bus bays where they operate from. And outside of the Halfway Tree Transport Center, Parade is the busiest place in Kingston. So as the JUTC gets in more buses, they are expanding their routes and services, which is a very good move. Now the government is getting in 100 more buses this summer, should be between June and July. 70 CNG buses and 30 diesel. So the JUTC is making plans to expand its service. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in a section below. I think this is a good move because the JUTC should be operating from Kingston and Montego Bay to every major town in Jamaica. I mean, if they had the buses, I'm sure they would. So as they get in more buses, they will expand more routes. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company Limited, JUTC, will be expanding its service to new and premium routes in the new fiscal year. Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport Minister, Honorable Darrell Vaz, made the disclosure during Friday's meeting of the Standing Finance Committee in the House of Representatives. He said the agency is targeting areas such as Catherine Estates, Mandeville to Maypen, and Montego Bay to Lucy and Negril. Minister Vaz said that the expansion of routes is important in meeting the growing demand for public transportation and improving connectivity across the island. A total of 10.67 billion has been allocated to the JUTC for the 2025-26 fiscal year. There is no significant difference in the JUTC's proposed allocation compared to its 2024-25 approved budget. The absence of an increase to the JUTC is due to, among other factors, to the savings derived as a result of the introduction of the compressed natural gas CNG buses, as well as the security measures to curb the pilfering of fuel, the minister pointed out. In addition, the sum of 296 million is being proposed for other public transportation operations through Montego Bay Metro Limited. The total budget for the ministry for 2025-26 is 35 billion. This is a net increase of 6.4% over the revised budget of 28 billion for the current financial year. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.